Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Beauty Magazines. Today's video is a tutorial of how to make matte braids. So, before we jump into the tutorial, we need to prepare our hair by shampooing it, straightening it if you have curly or wavy hair, and conditioning it as per usual. And then you are all set to go. This is one of the most easiest and elegant looking hairstyle that I know of. For this you have to start by taking a small section of hair, dividing it into 3 parts and braiding it normally on the left side of the hair, and then you have to repeat the same process on the right side of the hair. So by doing that you'll have 2 elegant looking, cute looking braids. So now we have 2 braids and rest of our hair is out and loose. So we'll start taking section from the loose part of the hair and then we'll insert it into the opposite side of the braid. For example, we'll take a section from left side of our head and start inserting it into the right side of the braid. And then we'll take the section from right side of the head and insert it into the left braid. And we'll keep repeating this process up until we reach the very bottom of both these braids. Inserting the hair into the braid might get a little bit difficult as the path narrows down and as you reach the end of the braids. So do as far as you can do it and then use an elastic band to secure the entire hairstyle. And that's it. That's your hairstyle that looks really hard to achieve but is actually really simple once you start getting into the process of the hairstyle. And now you have it. That's all for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to show your appreciation by dropping a like, and also you can subscribe the channel for more such hair tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.